If you're staring at overflowing laundry baskets, already exhausted, and you feel like laundry is just the last thing you want to do, okay? I've been there more times than I can count, but I have figured out a few things that help me shift my mindset and actually get it done. Yes, even when you're tired, even when you're overwhelmed, just trying to survive the day, and you can get it done too. In this video, I'm giving you real tips that work for real moms, plus my favorite way to make laundry feel less like a chore and more like me time. First of all, let's talk about what's really holding you back, because it's not just laundry. You're a mom, so you're exhausted. You've gone through decisions after decisions, maybe even breaking up fights between the children, and you have decision fatigue. And the laundry is just the last thing you want to do, especially when you're already behind. So there is a mountain of it to get done. I get it, mama. You're tired. You've been pulled in so many different directions today, but you are running out of socks. My dear, laundry has to get done. So how do you do it? By starting small. Tell yourself you're only going to do 5 things, or you're only going to do laundry for 5 minutes, or just wash one little clothes, right? Start small. Don't look at the huge task or the huge mountain that you may have in front of you. Sometimes just starting can be the hardest part when it comes to doing laundry, because when you walk into that room, all you see is the mountain of clothes looking at you. So I just want you to take a little section of those clothes and just start. And then eventually that momentum of getting it done will take over. Tip 2, add something you enjoy. Make laundry your me time. Now, girl, I know you're probably thinking, girl, laundry? Fun? Come on now, let's be real. Give me one second. I know you have some doubts, so let me explain. What I want you to do is, whenever it's time to do laundry, I want you to find your favorite podcast to listen to, turn on your favorite show or anime. Better yet, call up your girlfriend and have a laundry party. Make it fun. Put on your favorite music, YouTube video, or podcast. Matter of fact, in the comment section below, let me know what movie, show, or anime that you're watching, because I really do need to add to my list to continue making laundry fun for me. So comment below with that. Tip 3, get the family involved. You didn't make all that laundry, so you do not have to clean it all yourself. Even toddlers can help with laundry. Hand them some socks, or in this case, I have my 8-year-old showing my 2-year-old how to sort the laundry. It helps, and at the same time, I'm teaching her colors. Her older sister is teaching her younger sister. It is a win-win for everyone, and I'm not doing all myself. Now, disclaimer, when you have children involved with certain tasks, just know that it's not going to be perfect and that it's okay. They're not going to put the clothes away or fold them the way that you would, but you got to understand, done is done. And that is a bonus tip for you. You're going to have to ditch perfection. Good enough is good enough. Fold it once, toss it in a basket, and keep it moving. We want progress over perfection every single time. So yes, your littles can help you with a folding board that can also teach them how to fold the clothes, and just know it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be done, and they are learning. Tip 4, create a laundry ritual. Make starting laundry feel like you're starting me time or resetting your home. Don't make it feel like punishment, okay? Don't think of it as punishment. We gotta rewire our mind to think that it is something fun. So to start this laundry ritual, it can be lighting a candle, set the mood, okay? It can be making your favorite drink of coffee or throwing on some comfy clothes. Start off laundry by creating a ritual so your brain isn't triggered, Tip 5, anchoring laundry to another task. What this is doing your laundry and pairing it with something that you already do. And if you are new to the idea, this technique is actually called habit stacking. And it came from a book called Atomic Habits by James Clear. Great book, great read. I try to read it every year just to refresh myself on the concepts of it, because that's how good this book is. So if you haven't read it, put it on your list of books to read. Now, in the book, habit stacking, it's a simple way to build new routines by attaching them to things that you already do or habits that you already do. For instance, when it comes to laundry, for me, the way I get my load a day done is when I wake up in the morning, I get myself partially ready, and then I go wake up my girls. Before I go downstairs to make breakfast, I throw a load of laundry in the washer. Once I make breakfast and get that done, what I need done downstairs, I come back up and I put that load in the dryer. And before I go to bed, fold those clothes while I'm, calming down for the evening and watching, an anime or something, or a TV show. I paired getting ready or waking up the girls, a habit I do every day, with, okay, that's my cue to go put the load in the washer. When I come back, I have a cue. When I walk back up the stairs, instead of going to my office or into my bedroom, I go into the laundry room and put those clothes in the dryer. So it's all about habit stacking. Figure out something that you already do and pairing laundry with that. It can be folding on your bed while you watching Netflix. It could be putting the clothes in the drawer as part of your nighttime routine. Use this tip to help you do laundry and make it part of your routine. Now, typically I do a load a day, but life is always life. And so sometimes I get behind and I have a major pile up of laundry I haven't done. And that's okay, because I have motivation for you, because it happens for all of us. So watch this 2-day laundry motivation video to help you tackle that laundry backup. And I hope to see you next week with our next laundry series video. I love you so much. Have a blessed day. And don't forget, just start when it comes to laundry.